Everyone, I wanted to do a little unboxing of what I purchased from Dior. This was yesterday, but I got home, I was late, got dinner, and then jumped onto work, so I didn't have time to film an unboxing. This is the bag that I received. I prefer shopping in the little stores there as opposed to Champs-Elysees because it's just so crowded. There's so much foot traffic, and in this store I did make an appointment. I didn't hear back from them, so I was a little worried, but I got there and realized you could just walk in. I got the ABC Small Lady Dior, and it comes with charms which are already on my bag. 23 magazine number 41. I also love this. It's an actual metal charm, and I plan on putting that on my Christmas tree. Love this bag. For background, I did shop at the 30 Avenue Montaigne store. It's an avenue that bifurcates south of Champs-Elysees and houses a lot of the designer stores. This is the box it comes in. It's a flat box. Has the Dior bow. All right, let me see what the easiest approach is. And this is my first Dior bag. The one I've been featuring on both my Instagram and my YouTube is my mom's. She has the original Lady Dior. It's the bigger one. I believe it's a size large where it has the zipper. Dior changed that in 2017 or 2018. Correct me if I'm wrong. Due to customer complaints, with a zipper, it's really hard to gain access to all your belongings without stretching out the bag, and I really do prefer the flap. This is the box. All right, and it comes with this little tab so you can just stick it back in. All right, so let me just flip it and film it on the bed so it's much more convenient. I initially wanted the blue gradient bag, however, it wasn't available at any of the Parisian locations. Many of the colors for the Lady Dior are region specific. This is the Amaranth, and it's not available in the US. As I was browsing their digital catalog, I asked for a few colors to be brought up. This appears dark online, however, in reality, it's a burgundy, eggplant, aubergine color, and it happens to be my favorite color. It's not a typical color you would see in a Lady Dior. The crossbody strap is included, and this is the ABC Dior, so you get to choose 3 charms. I actually wanted a 9-1, but they ran out of the number 1, which I found very surprising, and I asked whether or not they could order it for me. Unfortunately, they couldn't, so I decided to go instead with charms instead of numbers. So I got the letter A, of course, for my name, 3-leaf clover, and just the Christian Dior signage. Let me do a zoom in. Oh, my nails are awful, but this is the zoom in of this. Let me focus on that. There we go. And then you just strap it on either side. This is what it looks like on the inside. You have an open flap in the top. You have a zippered compartment in the back. And then in this compartment, it just has the, let's see. It's a Dior envelope, a little Dior signage, the authenticity card, and then the little Dior booklet is included in there. I'll keep it in there for now. Yeah, I love this color. This is, oh yes, that's what it looks like in real life. It does match my nail polish color. Again, this is the Amaranth small size in Lady Dior. You will be seeing this a lot in my upcoming posts. Okay, just to give you guys some dimensions. This bag is 8 by 6.5 by 3 inches. In centimeters, this is 20 by 17 by 8. The canage stitching detail encompasses the entirety of the bag, including the sides. The bottom of the bag includes 4 pointed feet to keep your bag elevated from the ground. As I mentioned earlier, this bag has a flap on top, which allows you to gain access to the inside of the bag very easily. The interior is lined with a color matched suede. The strap is included and is adjustable. I included a mod shot so you know exactly how it looks on me. For reference, I am 5'2" and it sits perfectly against my hip. I love how this bag can be integrated into your casual attire as well as more elevated looks. I did try on some other bags at Dior, which I'll include here. If you haven't seen my shopping vlog, I will link it here as well. There are so many bag charms you can choose from, and you're not limited to just gold. I did also try the DJoy bag, which will probably be my next Dior purchase. Overall, I had a wonderful experience at the Dior boutique. I was able to take my time and look at all the bags I wanted. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please let me know if you have a Lady Dior yourself or you're contemplating whether or not to buy it. I will do a 1-year review after I've worn this for some time, just to give you an update of how practical this is. And I really do see myself wearing this because I wear a lot of either dark colored clothing or neutrals. I don't wear prints as often anymore, but even with prints, it just matches so well. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know your thoughts. Until next time.